not happy about them getting rid of some of these. Now, I will tell you, in my opinion and my experience, some of these impacts have been really, really stout. Charcoal glitter. I saw a guy get a brand with a Matco tool the other day, so that's why I thought I saw this on some TikTok video. What up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! Guess what? It's that time of the month again. No, I'm not your wife, so I don't have a headache. It's the Matco flyer, 11/19 to 12/11. And this is regions 13 and 18, so keep that in mind. But we have the Matco Maximus diagnostic scan tool, and believe it or not, I actually have this scan tool. I have a video coming out this week, so I'm kind of going to be promoting for this video, but this is actually the Launch CR919E, and I'm actually pretty impressed with this tool, so stick around if you, or pay attention if you're going to want to learn more about this tool and not pay the $7.99, because I believe this is like $400 through Launch. It has 2 years free updates, exact 2-year warranty, exactly the same as the Matco does here, but yeah, and then you can, but you're not going to get the Wi-Fi borescope, which you're not missing out on much, because that thing is worthless, in my opinion. But anyways, let's get right into this. Moving right along, we got Tool Aid. These are rebranded Tool Aid. I have the Matco versions. Mine are even old enough that they have the old logo on the center of them, but they are Tool Aid, and Tool Aid is a company called S&G, and great strippers. I actually love them. Those are my favorite, so they work pretty good, and they're about $15 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description probably if you're interested in getting those from Tool Aid. Just support the channel a little bit with the one with my link, and doesn't cost you anymore, and whatever. We have the air hammer. These are kind of interesting, but they're expensive. $387.95. Let me pan this back out. Save time, significant reducer. Breaking bolts. I'd like to try them, but I don't know that I'm going to be willing to. They have the manual versions. Any standard deadbolt hammer can be used to shock them. $387 or $456. Man, the manual ones are more expensive. Jesus. The problem is with the Matco air hammer. With those, I'd be scared because of the load that it puts on there. If you had a snap-on one where you could feather them in, you guys let me know in the comments. Yeah, they would work. I don't know. It's just something I would have to try and use. It seems like a great deal, but man, it's just pricey enough. It is what it is. $189.95 indestructible sledgehammer, which is a Wilton, which are $189.95, which are really nice hammers. We have a exhaust pipe expander kit, which is a Lisle rebrand tool, and then you get the pipe shaper with that for free, $58. That's a nice kit to have if you ever have to deal with exhaust pipes, let me tell you. Coolant system refiller. This is unbelievable, the price that this thing's gone up to. Is this the heavy duty one? Man, I paid $200 for this like 2 years ago. Wait a second, this is a new one though. This is a retain and test. Oh, okay. Shot function. Change cooling system component from vehicles. So it's got a hose that adapts in there different. What am I missing about this? The only thing it looks like it has there is a water hose. Turning a valve rated tool can create sufficient blacking for. I don't see what's different other than that hose right there. It looks like it hooks up to a garden hose. I might be lost in that. I guess I should have done a little research on that, but $432 versus $200. Man, I don't know. I don't see anything different on it. But anyways, quick change 900 lumen adjustable light, $158.95. Those are kind of neat. 900 lumens on them. I always say having a backup light to be able to change fast is a big deal. $105 for the flexible hose clamp pliers. Not been very popular. They've been out for a long time, and I have not seen anybody brag about those. We got the Pro Charger wireless dual smart charge pad, $119. More lights. I do like the pad idea for wireless charging. This tool right here. This is actually a good deal right here, guys. Not gonna lie to you. Get a free magnet with your flexible spring tool. This flexible spring tool should be in every mechanic's toolbox. At some point in time, for $16, this is a tool that I guarantee you will use. This is a must-have tool. I don't care where you buy it from. This is worth the money here from Matco. $16. They should sell. If I was a dealer, I'd be selling 500 of those. Not even joking you, because I just walk around with that thing all day long and be like, hey, there's $16 and I'll give you a free magnet with it. And I guarantee you guys in the shop would eat it up. More lights down here. Whatever, but they're adding to their lineup. That looks like kind of looks like the Snap-on deal there. Oh my god. We got the 3-in-1 function. This is a great. I actually have Matco has a proprietary. These are Astro rebrands here, but they have another one that I have, and I forget what the part number is, but it has a detachable for the straight chuck. I love that. You can only get it from Matco, and it's been fantastic. So I do love the fact that you can get the different colors. So the Matco ones, you can buy the Astro ones the same as this. Save yourself a little money. Not gonna lie, I think they're around $100, so you save $50. But if you get the other one from Matco, oh wait, no, this isn't the one. If you get the other one, this one, DT8, I think is the other one. That one's the one to get. It's like $200 though. Air sander, $326. Guys, this bench vise right here. You know what? This is actually probably would be a decent bench vise for doing some gunsmithing. I have this bench vise. It's made by Steelman. Do not buy it from here. You can buy it from Menards for dirt cheap. You can buy it online for like $50. I don't see where the point. It comes with the jaws extra. I don't think you have to buy those extra from somewhere else. But I have the 6-inch and I paid like $80 for it. It's kind of a pile. Not gonna lie to you. It's made by Steelman, dirt cheap. But I don't use it for anything with any type of pressure. I use it for very light stuff, and it twists and binds, and it's just a very, very, very chintzy vise. I will tell you that. So there's a lot going on in this flyer. I'm not gonna lie, guys. There's some good things in here. We got the Astro extended reach ratcheting serpentine belt tool, $194.50. LED lenser, more lights, 23-piece lock key, Volkswagen Augie, $184. I actually bought my set from JD Tico, which is a Steelman, which is very nice and it works very good. Underhood light for $318.95. This says it's a Matco exclusive design, so is it longer? Oh, it is. It's up to 21-inch. It's longer than the competition. So that's actually something I don't like about the Astro. It's very short, so something to think about. Universal oil funnel with screen. These are made by several companies. I know a lot of people will say Vim in the comments, but Vim doesn't actually make any tools. Just so you know, they're getting them from somewhere else. The 8-piece or 4-piece diamond file is an IPA tool, these are fantastic files. I absolutely love them. Quick connect lever action grease coupler, 5650. Those are awesome. Carbide bit set. They don't put lifetime warranty on these. I buy all mine from Mac because of lifetime warranty, and I absolutely love them. $124. They went up. They used to be about $100. They were $80 at one time. Where are you going here, fella? We got the universal fan clutch set. I highly recommend just spending the money and buying the new Lisle one with the Duramax adapter plate on it. It's a little bit cheaper than that. Universal cooling system adapter, $104. We got the wrench extender. I personally love the K-tool one that you use with a breaker bar because it takes up less space in your box, and I can use a longer breaker bar on it, so a longer one or a shorter one. Pick set, $28.50, $24.95. Nice picks. Dodge 4500, 5500 adapter, which is new for the ball joint, so that goes with the big ball joint kit, so I'm gonna have to get that adapter if I ever do. It's good to know they have that. I love that Sealy products, that SP products ball joint tool is absolutely fantastic. You can get a good deal on it at JD Tico too for like $1,000, and then you can buy those adapter plates. I think I have all the adapter plates but that one now. So Groove Life belts, $64.95, $59. I see these all over. They have the Groove Life rings, and And then we have the, what is this thing here? Groove Life wallet. I see these all the way. I see them advertised on YouTube too. So I don't know if they're worth a crap, but whatever. It's a belt. Hold your pants up. I personally prefer suspenders. We got a nice battery charger, 327, and then the bench style for 185. Power steering evacuator kit. That's a Mighty Vac 5950. We got some ADB sockets, 167, 72, 95. We have the 7-inch heavy-duty diagonal cutters, 4950. The pliers. These are, I think these are the only ones that have them like these. Are kind of oddball pliers. 3950. 8-inch slip joints. We have a 1/4-inch. These kits right here are exclusive to Matco, 11950. As far as I've found, I haven't looked into where I could see and get them, but I love those. Those are definitely awesome. 3-piece spring crowfoot wrench. You know, you can get those from Power Belt for pretty cheap too. I have nothing to say bad about them yet, but I've never really used them for anything significant to date. We got a 1/2-inch drive, 82 fixed head ratchet, 154.50. We have a 1/2-inch drive, 72 split beam, 250 foot-pound torque wrench to it, 382, which is a CDI. Or actually, it's Precision Instruments because CDI is owned by Snap-on, so I think they buy these. I think Matco rebrands these from Precision Instruments, so keep that in mind. 1-year warranty. 1/4-inch drive, stubby flex bit driver, $58. We got a BOGO. These are Silver Eagles. Silver Eagle combo wrench set. Get the 10-piece metric, $152.95, and then you get the 8-piece SAE. So I guess if you're needing some wrenches, these are similar to the Husky ones, I'm pretty sure. You know, I don't have anything terrible to say. They're not USA made, obviously. Lisle stethoscope, $37.50. We have an Engineer for $190.95. That's a Steelman. We have an inline spark checker. That's a Lisle, $25.95. We have an IPA 7-pin trailer circuit tester, $63.50. And then a Lang lead set, which are always in there, $85. You know, this is retractable with the adapters, so not too shabby. Oakley's, some hats, $24.95, $24.95. We have a vice grip set. I'm not sure how'd that blue line get in there. $140.50, 9-piece locking plier set, orange. $140.50. With a bag and a beanie. Alright, so they have some deals here, it looks like. Now, I don't know, this doesn't look like they're closing these out. And they're not super cheap yet, but they have some discounts on the Infinium impacts. And I gotta tell you, there's some guys that are not happy about them getting rid of some of these. Now, I will tell you, in my opinion, in my experience, some of these impacts have been really, really stout. I know a couple guys have beaten the hell out of them now for over a year, and I gotta say I'm impressed. For a brand, and the sad fact is them getting away from this, if they are, which it's been not confirmed. I have been told several different things. Dealer told me something. I've heard people comment talking about them getting away from it, and I've heard all over the board, which now it's become a big rumor mill. But I will say I'm impressed with these, and Torque Test Channel has showed they were powerful. They're no joke. The batteries are not the greatest, in my opinion, but they're not the worst that I've seen. But the impacts, the 1/2-inch drives are definitely monsters. But $440 for the impact there. You're definitely getting a better deal than you would with a Snap-on. And I think you're almost at a Milwaukee price there, but you're saving 14%. And these little stubbies are no joke neither. They get the gig done. So, you know, they're no joke. Ratchets on a different story. I personally like the flathead I got, but I haven't heard anybody say anything great about these ratchets. But $400 for these Infinium kits here. You have to let me know in the comment box what you think. Ratchets are really for mechanic based mostly. Really, they have a limited. I realize why the market form is so tiny, because they're really only for mechanics, whereas a lot of these other tools are, you know, DIY guys will buy them, and some guys just don't spend the money on ratchets on DIY. I mean, they can buy Milwaukee for cheaper, or other off brands, you know, Ryobi, so on and so forth. Moving right along here, we got a punch and chisel set, 167. I'm pretty sure that's probably Mayhew. We got a light that is absolutely trash. I've seen that one; it's junk. I have these screw extractors. I'm kind of pissed because they might be closing these out. I paid a little bit more for mine than those, and they don't work that great in my opinion. The flutes are very flat. They're made by a company that's kind of affiliated with Knipex. Knipex, whatever. 158.50 for aluminum for a hood light. 2-piece Tesla service tool socket set, $30.95. And that's all I see there. We got some more closeouts or something. I don't know what these guys are. Bumps box pager, neon green, $75.95. We got a tote bag, ladies tote bag, $90. Some women's knit winter gloves, $9.95, and silicone shot glasses, $16. We got a telescoping ice scraper, which is a must if you have a truck, $14.50. It's not terrible for an ice scraper. The hex trivet, $22.50. What is that for? Is it just cast iron construction, raise, high point, elevates, I don't know. Huh. Hot items can, oh, it's just for a hot plate. Okay. I was like, what is wrong with you? Charcoal grater hoagie, $47. Matco Christmas, we got some Ratfink stuff. You know, I love my Ratfink stuff. Ratfink hoodie. Probably don't have it in the fat guy size. Nope, $87. Wallet. Neck guard, $10. Necklaces. Buy your old lady some jewelry from Matco. She could have a Matco pen. I'm sure she'll appreciate that. We got some toys, RC trucks, knife set, $190 or $170. Parable mini speaker. We got a Matco football, $30. Wine tasting set, sandwich maker, you know, so on and so forth. And then last but not least, we have the Matco Hyperstep drill bits, 21-piece cobalt drill bit set. $189.99 for the high-speed steel. But what are the cobalts? $292. I didn't even want to see that. $292 for the cobalt ones. $189 for the high-speed steel. Your choice. Do what you got to do. Anyways, guys, that's the video for you. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.